Good morning, everyone. We're going to do calendar now, okay? So let's do our rule song. Ready? Eyes on teacher, listening ears, listening ears. You should have calm hands, and a calm body, All right, let's get started. We're going to do the days of the week first. Let's get ready. And here's the beginning of our screen. It says June 2020 or June 2020. Here we go. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Great. Yesterday was Tuesday. What's today? The day of the week is It's Wednesday. That's right. Can you tell me what's the day of the week? Good. It's Wednesday. Great work. Let's click on that box. Okay. All right. Now let's do the months of the year. Remember, there are 12 months in a year. Ready? January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. Then we turn around. Awesome job. What is the month? Let's look up here, remember? It's June. What's the month? You tell me. June, good. June starts with letter J. J-U-N-E. Your turn. Great job. Okay, now we have to do our counting on the calendar. We start with number 1. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What comes next? 10. Yep. This is a 10. What if we counted by twos to 10? Let's try. Ready? We start with 2, 4, 6, 8, and what comes next? 10. That's counting by twos to 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Good. What if we counted by fives to 10? 5, 10. 5, 10. We jumped 5 spaces. Good. Let me show you what 10 looks like. 10 looks like this. And if we have our 10 frame, we need to fill it all up. We need to put a dot in all of these boxes to make 10. Let's do that together. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Look, it's all filled up. We made 10 dots in our 10 frame. Great work. What if I counted beach balls? Let's count 10 beach balls. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, right? And look down here. This is 10, the number 10, and these are 10 beach balls. Great job, you guys. It's awesome. Let's go back to the calendar. The day of the week was Wednesday. The month was June, and we counted to the number 10. Now let's go here, and we're going to do the weather. Ready? Weather watcher, what do you see? What do you see? Tell us what the weather's like. Tell us what the weather's like. Won't you please? Won't you please? Okay, I'm looking with my eyes out the window. I don't see any clouds in the sky, but I do see a bright yellow sun. So we can say the weather today is sunny. Awesome. Great job. Let's check out what the temperature is today. Sometimes you can use a parent's phone for the temperature. Sometimes you can look on the weather on the news. But I have my phone, so I'm going to use that. So right now, the temperature is 73. What was that sign up here? Degrees, right? 73 degrees. So 73 degrees, I would say that's warm. So I'm going to say warm. Awesome. Okay, and the season, we know this one, right? 4 seasons in a year. I can name all 4. Do you want to hear? Let's get ready and say them all. Winter, spring, summer, and fall. The season is what? You tell me. You know this. It's spring. Good. Even though it's starting to feel a little hotter, the season is still spring because when is summer? Down here it says June 20th is summer. All right, you guys, let's say the whole date together. Help me say it. Today is Wednesday. Good. What's the month? June. What was that number? We worked really hard. 10, right? 2020. The weather today is sunny. The temperature today was 73 degrees, right? It's warm. And the season is spring. Great job, friends. You did a nice job with the calendar today. I'll see you later. Bye.